Frank was 67 years old. He retired last year. He did everything right, or so he thought. He ate healthy granola for breakfast. He drank fruit juice instead of soda. He ate yogurt with fruit. He thought he was protecting his health. Instead, he was destroying his pancreas. Frank came to my office 3 years later. He was tired. He was thirsty all the time. He was losing weight without trying. His blood sugar was 280. His A1C was 9.2. He had type 2 diabetes. And he said to me, "Dr. Cole, I don't understand. I ate so healthy." The truth is, Frank was eating massive amounts of sugar every single day. He just didn't know it. Because the food industry hides sugar in foods that are marketed as healthy. Granola, fruit juice, yogurt, even salad dressings. They are sugar bombs in disguise. In this video, I am going to show you the hidden sugars in 6 healthy foods that are destroying seniors' pancreases. Number 3 is the most dangerous. And number 6 is the one most seniors eat every single day without knowing it. Stay with me. Your pancreas depends on it. Your pancreas is a small organ behind your stomach. It produces insulin, the hormone that controls your blood sugar. When you eat sugar, your pancreas works hard. But when you overload it with hidden sugar every day, it gets exhausted. And eventually, it stops working properly. Frank's pancreas was exhausted. It had been working overtime for years, processing sugar from foods he thought were healthy. By the time he came to see me, his pancreas was damaged. He now needs daily insulin injections. And he is not alone. More than 1 in 3 seniors over 65 have diabetes or prediabetes. And the number one cause? Hidden sugar. Not candy bars. Not donuts. Hidden sugar in foods marketed as healthy. Foods that seniors eat every single day, thinking they are doing the right thing. I am Dr. Nathan Cole. Welcome back to Senior Health. Every week, I bring you the health truths that keep you independent and strong after 60. Today, we are going to expose the hidden sugar in healthy foods. Your pancreas is begging you to watch this. Let me start with a simple question. How much sugar should a senior eat per day? The American Heart Association recommends no more than 25 grams of added sugar per day for women and 36 grams for men. That is about 6 to 9 teaspoons. But most seniors are eating triple that. And the worst part? Most of that sugar is hidden. You don't see it. You don't taste it. The food industry uses over 50 different names for sugar, from cane juice to evaporated fruit juice to maltose. They hide it so you don't know what you're eating. So let us go through the 6 hidden sugar traps, one by one. Number 1, granola and cereal bars. These are marketed as healthy and natural. But most granola bars contain 12 to 15 grams of sugar per serving. That is over half your daily limit. Let me show you something shocking. A typical bowl of granola with milk and a banana contains 30 to 40 grams of sugar. That is more than a can of soda. 30 grams of sugar before 9 a.m. Your pancreas is already exhausted before you even start your day. The fix? Switch to unsweetened rolled oats. Add fresh berries. Use a touch of cinnamon for sweetness. Your morning bowl can have less than 5 grams of sugar instead of 30. That is a 600% reduction. Your pancreas will celebrate. Number 2, fruit juice. This is the biggest sugar trap for seniors. Fruit juice is not healthy. It is sugar water with a few vitamins. A single glass of orange juice has 22 grams of sugar, almost your entire daily limit. And that is just one glass. I had a patient named Margaret, 76 years old. She drank a glass of orange juice every morning because she thought it was healthy. She also had a glass of apple juice in the afternoon. That is 45 grams of sugar a day from juice alone. She was shocked when I showed her. The fix? Eat whole fruit instead of juice. An orange has 12 grams of sugar, but also fiber, which slows sugar absorption. Your pancreas doesn't get a sugar spike, and you get the vitamins without the damage. Better yet, drink water or unsweetened tea. Number 3, flavored yogurt. This is the one most seniors eat without knowing the sugar content. A single fruit on the bottom yogurt has 18 to 22 grams of sugar. That is like eating a candy bar, but it is marketed as a healthy breakfast or snack. And Greek yogurt with fruit is no better. The fruit is often soaking in syrup, and the label says fruit on the bottom, but the sugar is added sugar, not natural. You are paying for sugar disguised as health food. The fix? Buy plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. Add fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey if you need sweetness. A half cup of plain Greek yogurt with fresh berries has about 6 grams of sugar. That is 70% less than flavored yogurt. Number 4, salad dressings. Most seniors think salad is healthy, and it is, until you drown it in dressing. A single serving of bottled salad dressing can have 10 to 15 grams of sugar, and most people use 2 or 3 servings on one salad. I had a patient named Robert, 72 years old. He ate a large salad every day for lunch. He thought he was being healthy, but he used ranch dressing, lots of it. That salad had 35 grams of sugar, more than a donut. He had no idea. The fix? Make your own dressing. Olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, and herbs. 0 sugar. 0 hidden carbs. Or choose vinaigrettes with less than 3 grams of sugar per serving. And use a tablespoon, not a pour. Number 5, protein bars